Clear water, a little adventure and an easy paddle. We're setting off in our kayaks from Clearwater Bay, right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to the fourth episode of our kayak adventures. George, where are we? Where are we going?
So we're heading out in Sheung Sze Wan, and then later on we're going to paddle around and go straight to Green Egg Island.
Okay, we've been here once before, but only hiking. We're going to try and get there by boat, right? Let's go.
Let's go.
Summer is here, and as the temperatures start to soar, we're seeking relief in the cool waters that surround Hong Kong. In this series, we pick 5 of the best places to rent and take out a kayak as we swap our walking boots for paddles and a life jacket. We start this episode at Hung Hao MTR, where we jump in a taxi and head down to the beach at Sheung Sze Wan. There we join a line of adventurers waiting to pick up a life jacket, a paddle, and step down into the water to board a kayak. The sky is blue, the water is clear, and it's time for us to head out to Green Egg Island. It says it takes about an hour to get out to Green Egg Island, but we think we probably did it in about half that time. It's a nice, easy introduction to kayaking. The water is absolutely beautiful today, and as we go back to Green Egg Island later to take a break, I'm sure we'll be doing some snorkeling. But for now, I'm going to try and go and explore this cave over here. Not far from Green Egg Island, there are a series of small islands that you can reach only by kayak. It's a great way to escape the crowds that congregate around the shallow waters. Just be careful, as the seas can get a lot more rough away from the shoreline. Well, I've got to say, this is a fantastic place to take a break, spend some time. It's not a difficult paddle out here, great for beginners, but also for people who just want a relaxing day out, particularly in this particular spot here at Green Egg Island. How is it for you, George? You seem to be enjoying yourself out there.
Yeah, the water is super clean. You can see the fish swimming even without using a goggle. Yeah.
Not massive amounts of fish, I've got to say, but there are fish here, some small ones. Right, come on, George, we're going to paddle back.
Okay, let's go.
Our paddle back was completed in just 30 minutes in relatively calm waters. It's by no means a day that is going to stretch your endurance, but perfect for beginners or for the day you just want to relax. Okay, that's the end of this episode. About 8k in total. Nice and easy, George.
Yeah, it was nice and easy. A beautiful views. The only downside is it's just too crowded for me.
Yeah, there was a lot of people there. Now, as always, please like and subscribe wherever you see this. We've also got a special offer on our 10 Best Walks book if you go to our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm George.
This is Drone and Phone.